Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube with another quick guide. Today I am going to show you how to adjust your sound level from the touchpad of your laptop with 3-finger gesture. So go to settings and then go to devices. On the left tab select touchpad and scroll down till you find the 3-finger gestures menu and open this menu and select change audio and volume. And if you place your 3 fingers on the touchpad and move up and down, as you can see, the sound volume will be adjusted. Okay guys, it's a pretty simple process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.